So I'll just read this out real quick. Virtual columns, though useful, are often based on complex app formulas that can quickly consume resources and impact the overall performance of your app. Until now, there was no way to determine the average computation time required by virtual columns when compared to the total sync time. The new average virtual column computation time by app version graph, that's a title, is now available when you access the performance profile by selecting Manage Performance Analyzer. Use this graph to better understand how the computation time for virtual columns in different app versions is affecting the sync performance and gain insights to improve app performance. The feature has been rolled out to all customers, so that's nice to hear. You got to go to Manage, Monitor, Performance Profile, and launch the Performance Analyzer. That opens up a new tab, and inside the new tab, which just is the regular thing that's always been here, they have a new graph here for you. This is kind of nice, you know? Yeah. So the first part is the table. The second part is the virtual column. You've got what version you're using and how long, even though I kind of covered it up, how long the actual thing takes itself. It's pretty nice. So you could easily come inside here and be like, whoa, if you had something that was huge, you know what I mean? You'd really quickly be able to see it. And then, yep, these are dynamic, so you can turn off. So I could get down to like, how long does this one thing... Oh, they even have a checklist for... Check that out. They even have a little checklist for grouped versus stacked. Yeah, so like one of my virtual columns that I have is a thing that estimates how long each segment's going to take. So that takes 0.023 seconds. It's pretty quick. But yeah. You know what I mean? If you had an app that was really starting to take a lot of time, it was really, you got like the thing where it's taking 20, 30, 50 seconds, this could really, really help. This could really make things clean for you. So that's the biggest update for AppSheet news. Other than that, that's all I got. Let's move on to the next one, y'all.